Hello everyone. In this practical, we are going to discuss a 12th lab program, right? So, what is that lab 12? Okay, what is the question? What you have to do? Okay, what are the requirements you need? So first, they are telling write a PHP program. Okay, what you have to write? First, we have to write one PHP program. Okay, you know already. Okay, 11th program is also on PHP. And after that, what you have to do? That program can store the views count in session. Okay, what it does? It can store the views, the how many times the same page the user has to views. Okay, store the views count in a session. Okay, that's called as we can session how many times he views that same page. Okay, after that, after refreshing another time, that again increase the counts. That is what we have to do here. Okay, that's display in web page. That is a 12th program. What you have to do? So session is a user how many times use a same web page. Okay, after refresh that will be automatically increment the count. Okay, on each refresh, and to show the count on the web page. That's much. Okay, we have to do. So for that we are write PHP program. Okay, so you know already. Just I am writing PHP program. Okay, so like here, take a new page. Okay, so how you are writing a PHP program? Just question mark PHP. Okay, then close it like this. Okay, this is PHP, open and close. So now I want to save this one. How you are saving? Go to the local disk. See, because this is PHP program, we have to save in WAMP. So see, then search WAMP. Okay, then www. Okay, here you have to make a folder like session. Okay, session, double click. Then here you have to write session.php. So must should have to write PHP because we are writing the PHP script. Then save. Okay, so now you have to write the code what you want. First I am creating the sessions, so I want to start the session. Okay, session underscore start, then function semicolon. Okay, session start. After that I am using some HTML tags. Okay, I'll tell you why I am using. Just I am using HTML tags. Print within double quote. I want to make it as a center and bold because I want to use these things in HTML. Okay, so that is whatever you are displaying, those things I want to make it as center. Okay, after that I want to make it as a heading 1. Okay, that is H1 we can say. Okay, so then semicolon. You can use HTML tags like this within a double quote. Okay, so after that what to do? After session starts, you have to check if the session is storing or not. Okay, sessions are counting or not. So what you have to do? Just if is set is a function or method which will check the session if it is set or not. Okay, is set $_ session square bracket single quote and views. Okay, then enter. Right, open and close. This is if condition, you know. Okay, we are checking the sessions. If the session is set, okay, so what we have to do? $_ underscore session views. Okay, just you have to copy this one, no problem, just as it is. So this is in small letters. Okay, you can go like this also. Just I am giving small letters. Views. Okay, just I am copy this one up to $, just paste it. Okay, then after that what you have to do? here space equal to space, again you have to paste, then plus 1, because every time refresh that is added by 1. Okay, that is called the count refresh. So that is called the each session is when you refresh each session, that is counted by 1, that is incremented by 1. Okay, so after that I am writing if else it is not set to the session. So what you have to write, just write these things, because here we are storing the sessions like this. Okay, like this, then equal to 1, only 1. Okay, semicolon. Then after that what you have to echo, okay, I am printing something, echo welcome to web page, welcome to web page, welcome to web page, then semicolon. Okay, then semicolon. So here what I am doing, so I want to print views, right? I want to print views, how many times you are refreshing. Just I am saving this one, I want to execute this program. Okay, how you are executing, just start the WAMP server like this, you know already how to start WAMP server. Click localhost, okay, then go to the session, okay, your project that is I already stored in www session, then click PHP. Okay, there is error, line number 8, unexpected else 8, right? Okay, then save, then execute. See what it does, welcome to web page. Okay, so you can give open and close also like this. There is some mistake, like this you have to give the open and close, then only it takes, right? See now there is no error. Okay, if you given like this, then only takes. Just I am writing like this. Okay, so then after that prints only this one, welcome to web page. What about views, how many times I am viewing and refreshing? Okay, just I want to write for that echo. So I want to print using echo. In JavaScript we are using document.write alert. Okay, so here we are using echo, that means print echo within double quote views, how many times you are viewing views, that is a string I am writing. So here what you have to do, just you write dot, then you have to give this value, that is because the sessions are stored here, right? Then print. Okay, then save. Okay, so now I want to save. See now refresh, the page views 8 times, right? See now after refreshing it is incremented. Okay, so I want to write one more line. Okay, one more line. First I want to give the break. Okay, first I am giving the break using print method and some, see here what I am writing, br, okay, new line, then it gives like this. Okay, welcome to web page, views 22. Then after that here what I do, just I am writing one more echo method, echo within double quote /n, this is also new line. Okay, refresh the page to see the number of visits, how many times they are visits. Okay, then semicolon. Okay, after that I am closing the center and h1, save. Okay, so what I am doing, just I am close this window. Okay, just close. Okay, so now I want to open one more time localhost. Okay, then click on the session like this. Okay, session, then click on only session.php, not back directory. Click this page we are viewing 23 times. Okay, so now I want to refresh, it will visit. So just a minute, save, Briar, print. It is not taking any new line here. Suppose given slash n slash n slash n. It's not taking just a wait, no problem. Okay, so what you will do here, see, now I want to refresh. See, just you have to focus on the views, how many times it is refreshing. See, automatically increase this. Okay, just one more time. I'm using localhost. You can write like this also, then go to the session. Okay, see, now automatically 54. Okay, so again, if you are increasing refreshing, refresh the page to see the number of visits. Okay, see, like this you can visit. Okay, so this is what a session program, 12 program. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. See, this is simple, only this much session. Okay, merchant should have to start the PHP and close with PHP tag, and this is compulsory session start, because every session will be start. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.